Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Durud Islam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, mathematics exercise 7A for new secondary book 1 of SAC students class 6 and exercise 9A for new syllabus mathematics D1 Oxford D11 O11 students. And question number 6 is a total of 3,600 athletes participated in the Singapore 2010 Youth Olympic Games. There were 1,200 media representatives who reported on the games, 20,000 volunteers who helped out during the games, and 370,000 spectators who attended the games, and we have to find the ratio. So students, first we will write that the athletes is equal to 3,600 and media representatives, media reps are 1,200, volunteers is equal to 20,000 and spectators or audience are 370,000. And students, we have to find the ratio of athletes ratio volunteers, and number 2 we have to find the number of media reps and spectators. So students, data is given. There are 3,600 athletes, 1,200 media reps, 20,000 volunteers and 370,000 spectators, and we have to find the ratio of athletes ratio volunteers, and there are 3,600 athletes and volunteers are 20,000, and we have to find the ratio. Students, look at both the numbers. There are 2 zeros in 3,600, so last 2 zeros will be cancelled with last 2 zeros, or in other words, we are dividing both the numbers or both the elements with 100, and next number, remaining numbers are 36 ratio 200. Now students, both the numbers can be cancelled with 2. So 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16, and 2 100s are 200. Again, both the numbers can be cancelled with 2. So the ratio will become 9 ratio 50. Means that if there are 9 athletes, then the volunteers will be 50. And now at the second place, we have to find the ratio of media reps with spectators. And media reps are 1,200. Ratio spectators are 370,000. So students, last 2 zeros will be cancelled with last 2 zeros, and left one is 12 ratio 3,700. Now both the numbers can be cancelled with 2. So 2 6 are 12, 2 1 are 2, subtract 2 from 3 and there will be 1 and it will become 17. 2 8s are 16 and 1 carry, 2 5s are 10 and 2 zeros are 0. Now students, 6 and 1,850 are again the multiples of 2. So 2 3s are 6, ratio 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, and it is the ratio of media rep with spectators. And it is question number 6. Students, question number 7 is a certain amount of money is shared between Wei Fing and Vishal in the ratio of 5 ratio 9. If Wei Fing gets $44 less than Vishal, find the total amount of the money that is shared between the two boys. So students, first we will write the ratio. Ratio is equal to 5 ratio 9. So the share of the shares will be 5x and 9x. According to the condition, students, whose share is 5x, whereas Vishaal's share is 9x, and we getting $44 less than Vishaal. So if we subtract whose money from Vishaal's money, that will be equal to $44. So according to the condition of the question, we will subtract whose amount from Vishaal's amount. So it will become 9x minus 5x is equal to $44, as we getting $44 less than Vishaal's amount. Now students, subtract 5x from 9x and we will have 4x, and that is equal to $44. 4 is multiplying. When we transfer it to the side, it will divide. So it is $44 over 4. So the value of x is $44. Now students, we have to find the total amount or total money. So total amount is sum of the share of both the boys, and total amount is 5x plus 9x. Sum of both the x and we will have 14x, and the value of x is, students, $44. So in place of x, not 44, students, the value of x is 11. 4 1s are 4, 4 11s are 44. Now students, in place of x we will write $11, and $11 is multiplied with 14. 14 1s are 14, and 1 carry, 14 1s are 14, and 1 carry 15. So students, the total amount both the boys have shared is $154. Students, question number 8 of the same exercise is Amira, Hickson and Priya make a total of 1530 toys in the ratio of 12:16:17. Find the number of toys Hickson makes. Hickson is written at second place, so Hickson is, the ratio of Hickson is 16. So first we will suppose that let the toys made by all the three students, let the toys is equal to 12x, 16x and 17x. And students, sum of all the three toys is 1530. So we will sum up all the three numbers and that will be made equal to 1530, and in this way we will find the value of x. Then x will be multiplied with 16 and that will be the Hickson's toy. Now students, we will write according to the condition 12x plus 16x plus 17x is equal to 1530. Now students, sum up all the numbers. 7 plus 6 mean 13, 13 plus 2 mean 15, and 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2, 3 and 4, 45x is equal to 1530. And students, 45 is multiplying on left side. When we transfer it to this side, it will divide. So the value of x will become 1530 over 45. Now students, 1530 will be divided, and we can cancel both the numbers with the same table. So both are the multiples of 5. 5 9s are 45. 5 3s are 15, no carry, 5 0s are 0 and 5 6 are 30. So the value of x will become 306 over 9. Now students, 9 1s are 9, 9 3s are 27 and 2 carry. 9 3s are 27 and 3 carry, and it will become 36, and 9 4s are 36. So the value of x is 34. And students, we have to find the number of toys that Hickson makes. So Hickson's toys will be, the ratio of Hickson is 16, so it will become 16 into 34. 16 4s are 64. 6 carry, 16 3s are 48 and 6 54. So the number of toys it can make is 544. Now students, at second place we have to find the amount of Priya's toy. It was the first part, and in second part, first we will find the Priya's toys. Priya's toys is equal to, the ratio of Priya is 17, as Priya is written as third number, so it will become 17x. In place of x we will write, students, 34. 17 4s are 68, 6 carry, 17 3s are 51, and 6 57. So Priya made 578 toys, and the price of one toy is $1.64. So the amount of Priya will become, amount of Priya will be $1.65, because the price of one toy is $1.65, and Priya has made 578 toys, so 578 will be multiplied with 578, not 758. 578. Now students, we will multiply 578 with 1.65, and that will be the amount of Priya. You can use calculator, and if you want to do it manual, you will write 578 multiplied by 1.65. 5 8s are 40, 4 carry, 5 7s are 35, and 4 39, 3 carry, 5 5s are 25, and 3 28. Put cross below the unit digit. 6 8s are 48, 4 carry, 6 7s are 42, or 4 46. 4 carry, 6 5s are 30, and 4 34. Then put cross below unit, and then 10th digit, and then multiply 1 with the other numbers, 8 7 and 5. 0 7 23 7 and 2 9 10 13 15. 1 carry and 9, and there are 2 digits after point, so I will put the point after 2 digits from right side. So the amount Priya has earned is $953.70. So students, it's enough for today. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time, and have a good day.